We can use the setup shown to investigate the factors affecting the strength of an electromagnet. The electromagnet is connected to a power supply via a rheostat and an ammeter. The strength of the electromagnet is measured by counting the number of iron paper clips it can attract. Switch on the power supply to pass a current of 1 ampere through the electromagnet. Insert the electromagnet into the container full of iron paper clips. Take out the electromagnet gently and count the number of paper clips attached to it. Increase the current through the electromagnet. How does the number of paper clips attached change? Now, repeat the experiment by using a coil of the same length, but with more number of turns. How does the number of paper clips attached change in this case?